To the coast now, free flow of traffic and pedestrian safety at the busy Kongowea market in Mombasa is expected to be enhanced after the completion of a second ever footbridge in the coastal town. Now, engineers today closed Fidel Odinga Road in Nyali area and redirected traffic to other roads to allow for the placement of the deck of the footbridge. After the placement, final concrete works and painting will be done before the facility is handed over to the county government. This is the second of 3 such facilities being set up in Mombasa at a total cost of 200 million shillings, the first one having been launched by President Uhuru Kenyatta early this year. The project is supported by the Kenya government and the World Bank and also involves construction of pedestrian walkways. Traffic jams have been on the rise lately in the growing town, but these efforts are expected to be supported by the new footbridge.
Watu wamejengewa footpath bridge mzuri ambayo ni usalama kwa maisha yao na kuhakikisha kuwa watakuwa wanasafiri bila ile shida ya kuwa wasimame wangoje magari, watakuwa wanasafiri kuvuka pande hii na kurudi pande hii.
It was a major project which consisted of that 7 kilometers of footpath, 8 kilometers of cycle tracks. We were to do bicycle stands. We were to do upgrading of Rikoni Road. Since when we came, Rikoni Road was only 5 meters wide, but now as we speak, it is 10 meters wide.
This is the second bridge of we are erecting in Mombasa. We've analyzed today to finish for this one. We are working together the county government and all the national government for the security purposes. So we are expecting to do another bridge for the Coastal General maybe next month.